Analyzing and distinguishing between different liquids is often a rather costly and time-consuming task. Time in which possible mistakes and failures in your process stay unresolved. In this video, I'd like to show you how, by using the Ilmsens ultra-wideband technology, we can analyze two different samples and distinguish between them using two different oils as an example. Here you can see the main measurement setup that we need for our next test. On the left you can see the M-Explore, the sensor who will introduce an electromagnetic wave into the measurement cell designed for oils. And on the right you can see two different kinds of oils. One is a plant-based oil, rapeseed oil, and the other one is a synthetic oil for engines. The oils will be pumped through this cell with the help of a small pump. And as soon as the cell is filled with the oil, we can start the measurement. So let's just get started. With the help of our software, we can track the measurements in real time. The frequency impedance spectrum is shown here. As you can see here, we can already see clear differences between the measurements after the first run. The analysis of liquids can of course be transferred to other applications. For example, if you're having a multi-component system and you need to find out whether the mixing ratio is correct. Or if you get a new liquid and you need to find out about its additives. Or, for example, if you need to know about your contaminations in your process. Do you want to know more? Feel free to write a mail or make a call. We have also prepared other videos for you.